Hey guys, this is Danny with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. Just got a brand new 2026. This is a Sea Ray 250 SDX surf package, okay? So got the beautiful blue, all blue hull with the sports arch, toe arch at the top, which is it actually moves down and forth. So for storage or getting in under a bridge, it moves around for you. Coming around the back, has a great swim platform. It's got the submersible platform here. So this flips down when the motor's down. So you can sit in the water, put on your wakeboard, skis, whatever you want to do there. It's got a nice sun lounger right up here in the back. Let's go inside and check it out. Up here in the bow of the 250 SDX, you see that it's got great room up here in the front. Got the nice gray and it's a light gray and white stitching and everything all the way around. The speakers are integrated. You got your grab handles, your cup holders all right here. You'll notice the matting on the floor too. Very comfortable, easy to keep, easy to remove and clean whenever you want to. Back here at the helm, you've got the twin Simrad screens right here up on the front. You can control your surf system here, the trim, the lighting on the boat on the inside and out, all your surf system setups and everything is all touchscreen here. Coming around here in the back, you've got great seating all the way around here. Flip seating for here if you want to have a skier on, you can sit back and watch them. Plenty of room in this. The way it's all squared off on the inside just gives you a lot more room in there. It has a pump out head as well. You got cushions down there if you have a little one that needs to take a nap, kind of get them out of the sun for a little while. So it's a very usable boat. It's got the wakeboard racks too as well. So you can have all your racks right here on the side so you don't have to take up room inside the boat storing. If you have any more questions on this boat, please give us a call here at MarineMax in Greenville. Thank you.